Welcome to Upper Blacup Lodge, Liversedge. The most exceptional 4-bedroomed detached property, 3 bathrooms, 4 acres, equestrian centre, workshop, masses of grounds, unbelievable views. Please allow us to show you around. As you can see, masses of parking, and behind me a very large garage / workshop. Incredible, that's all we can say. It's a cliche, but it's very true with this property. Properties with this amount of land, this space, these facilities are very rare to the market. So if you'd like to view, please give us a call on 01 924 692240 or email us on hello@trustsl.co.uk. We look forward to hearing from you.